Good evening, everyone. Yeah, putting out this video to give us a trade breakdown of a trade I caught today on US oil. Now, I've made a couple of videos on some previous sales I caught on this pair where I said that my bias has remained to my bias is to run this low here. So ever since price started selling from here, I've been trying to capitalize on good selling opportunity until this low gets broken. So I came into the market this week with that intention, looking to sell the market. Now, sorry, let me quickly delete all of this. Now, based on how we trade, I already know my bias, which is bearish. I'm looking to sell. Okay, and then I went up to the monthly time frame. I saw this monthly point of interest here that just got mitigated. I think that was last week. It got mitigated here, and then I got excited because price started buying from the monthly here, so it started rejecting from a monthly support. So I'm expecting for it to sell off when it finds a monthly resistance. That's what this POI here has acted as. So immediately it's mitigated that monthly POI. Based on how I trade, I knew that okay, the upward move, an end has come to the upward move. It's now time for us to continue to the downside technically. So at the beginning of the week, I was looking to be a part of that sale. Yeah, so I stepped down to my lower time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so at the beginning of this week, I want to understand what structure is doing. Now, first of all, okay, this this buy move here, I wanted to see what's responsible for the buy move, what POI caused price to start buying. Okay, so I zoomed out, and then I saw that it was on the 4 hour. There was an OB there, a POI that price mitigated, and then that's responsible for the bias to the upside. Okay, now based on how I trade, I want this price coming from the 4 hour. It simply tells me that okay, price is going in to take internal range liquidity on the 1 hour. You understand? So that means this POI now is going to act as a pullback of price into the 1 hour range. So I went all down to the 1 hour to determine where the 1 hour range is at. Now, if you look closely, you'll see this is what market has been doing. This is the delivery. This is the delivery. We were bullish like this, and then we got our bearish break, and then since then it's been delivering like this, right? So this is the last break of structure to the downside. So this is kind of our strong high. This high here is kind of our strong high, so we don't want to see price invalidate that high. Okay, so we understand that okay, price is coming into this 1 hour range from this high to this low to collect internal range liquidity, and then want to continue to the downside. Since we've determined that, I want to check out for POI, so I jumped from the higher time frame to start looking for POI, and then on the weekly sorry, my network is really messing up. On the weekly, I saw this unmitigated rejection block here on the weekly, and then I mapped it out. I took note of it, and then I still went back to the 1 hour to see if it actually aligns, and then yes, it aligned perfectly through my 1 hour strong high. And then what I did was I didn't want to refine further, so what I did was I just placed my limit here and then my SL above that high, because if I wanted to refine, I would have refined the entry to this high, kind of the last internal range liquidity. This is the strong high, so but I didn't want to refine. I just wanted to be part of the move, right? So I placed my SL above this high here, and then I targeted, this is the first target, and then overall overall target will be this low, right? So I just waited for price here, and then price did all this drama, and then did this, and yesterday price tapped in, and then that was it, straight to take profit. That's the beauty of USOIL. If you get the direction correct, it doesn't take time. Look how slow the movement was to the upside, but immediately it met with the liquidity and all of that, the drop. And also notice it swept this internal liquidity. That would have been a sniper entry had it been refined to that point, but nah, I'm okay like this. So what I did was, I haven't closed out my position, but I actually trailed my SL to 3R. So I just want to hold my full position and see what this market is going to do. So if it stops me out on break even, I'll be out on 3R, right? But then if it doesn't, that means I'm holding to this low with full position, and that will be 7R. Yeah, so that's it on USOIL.